Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can block a YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. After opening YouTube, you have to add an extension in your Chrome browser. So search for Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome Web Store, then search for an extension named Video Blocker. So add the first extension. Press add to Chrome, add extension. So extension is added. Now press on a video or any channel which you want to block. Right click on the channel video and press block video from this channel, and this channel will be blocked from your YouTube. You can also block any channel by writing the name of the channel. For example, I write BBC. Here you can choose channel wildcard keywords and now press add, and it will be added in your block list. So if you want to check your block list, press block list, and here you can see that the channel is appeared. So if you want to remove from block list, press delete option, and this channel will be unblocked. So this is the simple way to block any video or a channel from your YouTube. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.